everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today we're going to do a fun little program where we're going to do a little bit of modulus for odd and even numbers, and we're going to push them into their corresponding arrays. So let's start off. First of all, I'm going to create an array called my even numbers. That's the first array, and the next array is my odd numbers. Okay, I'm going to create a subroutine here. So this subroutine, I'm going to call it even numbers. Okay, so we're going to print a message to the user, print enter a number. Okay, and then it's going to be a scalar number, and we'll get some input from the user. Standard input. Okay, and that's going to be chomp scalar number. Okay, now we're coming on to the conditional. So that's going to be if the number that was entered, and we're going to do mod 2 is equal to 0. So we're going to try and see if it's an even number. We're going to print out a result. To the user, telling the user that this number is even. Number is even. Okay, so then we're going to put a little twist on this. We're going to say scalar number here is equal to scalar number plus 10. So we're going to add 10 onto that number, and then we're going to push it into the array, the even numbers array. Okay, so let's say push. It's going to be even numbers and scalar number there. So we're going to push it into the array, and then of course we want to read the array. So print, whoops, made a mistake there. So print, oh dear, we'll do that, even number array, and we're going to print it out, even numbers. Okay, so now we're just going to call this by even numbers. Save it. Okay, and run it. Whoops, got a bit of a problem there. Let's just check this out. Okay, made a little bit of a silly mistake there. Shouldn't have done that. Let's just knock those out. Let's just save that. So let's run that. Okay, enter a number. So I'm going to enter 2. Number is even, and it's added 10 onto it for me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do simple number here. So if number mod 2 push else I'm just going to simply say one second, I'm having problems with the computer. Print number is odd. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to push that into the odd numbers. Scalar number. Okay, and then we're going to print it out. Odd numbers. Okay, that's going to be odd numbers. Okay. Right, okay, I'm going to knock out this bit here. Number is number, so we're not going to add any more numbers there. We're just going to do odd and even. So the first one, number, let's say is 5. So number is odd and we printed out odd numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do an even now. So again, I'm going to do number is equal to number multiplied by 10. We'll try that for the even number. Okay, put in 2. There you go. 20. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.